Hello everyone. Are you wondering what gassed means? Let's explore. Gassed is a slang term used to describe someone who is feeling overly confident, excited, or hyped up, often due to praise or validation from others. When someone is gassed, they might be full of energy or self-assured because they've received compliments or achieved something significant. The term can also be used humorously to point out when someone's confidence is perhaps a bit inflated, suggesting they might be too caught up in their own success or hype. It's common in contexts where people are encouraged or feel empowered by their accomplishments, leading to a boost in their mood and behavior. In essence, being gassed is about experiencing a surge of confidence or excitement, usually triggered by external affirmation or success. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.